27 left, short of Tango Tango, contact ground point 9.
Bravo, cross 27 left, short Tango Tango, ground point 9 and 965.
67, follow the RJ up the nose and cross runway 4 left.
1 cross runway 4 left, right on left. Left, Bravo, hold short of...
Clear for takeoff.
Please come there. Tango Tango, clear for takeoff, maintain Bravo heading. Austrian, Romeo Heavy, and maintain it.
At 745, wind 250 on 11, possibly turbulence, say 27 left at Tango Tango, line of way.
On a point 27 left, Tango Tango, United 745.
At 2133, turn right, heading 360.
Right, turn next 360, United 2133. Right on Bravo, also left there.
21 Charlie 1 Zulu, short runway 27.
Charlie 1 Zulu, short of 27 left, hello. No, 27 center, though, unfortunately.
Hello, Alpha 6. 1655, what's your gauge? That file company to the southport. Steering 1606, hold short of Tango Tango for a second.
Procure 3595, seek 28 center.
3595, overhead tower, crossing by turbulence, heavy departing parallel, additional traffic departs crossing runway 28 center, clear to land.
28 center, clear to land, procure 3595. Lima 6 Alpha, CSK 4470.
Okay, that clear, ground point 9, have a good day.
Ground point 9, procure 4470.
115.
15 for 9.
12115, 2150.
15 Delta.
Third one waits behind the second United Victor 1, turn left on Bravo, and I'll have more for you at Alpha 10.
170 waits for you, 2 left on Echo, cross runway 4 left, I'll have more. Alright, 2 left, they wait for us. Cross 4 left, United Coast Station. American Minute 23, tower at Victor Victor, cross runway 27 center, right on Delta 2412.
Good night.
Alright, and ground point 9 on Livery 44.
Envoy 4191, contact Bircher 125.